Welcome to Thursday Tech Tip with me, Kelly George, where each week we will deliver proven tips on how to take care of your lawn. Let's get growing. Hey Turf Nerds, it's Kelly George again, and today we're going to talk about invertebrate pests that damage your lawn. In Iowa, we have snow cover, and then we have mice that tunnel underneath the snow. And today we're going to look at mouse damage. And as you can see, we have dead grass around all this green grass. And that's where the mice have been tunneling all winter long. So number one, we're going to talk about how to control the mice. And number two, we're going to talk about how to fix this damage. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is how to prevent the damage. So in the fall, before the snow starts, you're going to want to get yourself a bait trap, some mouse bait, and then you need to stick it outside where you've seen that activity last spring. So this particular model is a Protecta RTU, and then I have the bait. What I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to open up this trap, and you can see that I put a big spike on there because I don't want this to be carried away or the wind to blow it away. So what we'll do now is we'll grab one of these little bait blocks, and we're going to put it in the bait station, and then we're going to set it up next to this stone wall because it's fairly safe to assume the mice enjoy the heat from the stone wall. And it clicks together just like that. Now what we'll do, it really doesn't matter where you put it, the mice are going to find it, and so that we'll stick this down into the ground, and we need to make sure that it's down far enough that the mice can enter the entry holes to come after that bait. So one of the clear indicators that this is mouse damage is the hole that's left behind. You see, the hole is a clear, wide open hole, and it leads to a tunnel above ground. So now we're going to talk about how to repair this damage. You're going to need a couple of tools, and the tools that I like are just a regular plastic leaf rake and this little garden weasel and some grass seed. First, we're going to take the rake and we're going to rake the damaged area out. You can also use a leaf blower to blow this damage out if you have a strong enough leaf blower. There, that should be good enough. Now what we're going to do is we got a little bit of seed here. This is Kentucky bluegrass and perennial rye. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of seed in these runs. And now comes my favorite part. We're going to take this little garden weasel, we're going to work that seed right into the ground. That's going to make a lot of holes. That seed's going to go down into that soil. It's going to move past that thatch layer. Once the soil temperatures reach 60 degrees for consistent days, and we have a little bit of water, that seed's going to germinate, and it's going to fill in, and you're not going to know that anything happened. For more tips like these, click on the subscribe button below.